Hello everybody and welcome to my simple life adventure in USA. It has been a while na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video sa aking YouTube channel kasi lately nabibusy ako. There were some things going on. So I am back. Well, anyway, I am going today, this video, I am going to cook my own version of, I will make Rellenong tuna. So it's my own version. Mayroon ako ditong albacore tuna. Is it? Oh, it's not albacore. I dropped something. It's not albacore tuna. I thought it's albacore. Wait. So, I told my husband to get me an albacore tuna, but he got the wrong one. That is why. So, wala akong choice guys kasi I am very hungry. So, ito ang tuna. Orleans, I like the albacore one, but I'll just use these ones. Tuna in a can. I will use 3 cans. 3 cans. I got eggs here. And I have some crackers. Ilalagyan ko siya ng crackers. I-crumble ko yung cracker. Okay? And this is also cracker. I got it from Dollar Tree. I like using this one. But hindi madami ang cracker ko. So I decided to stop sa dollar store to get some cracker. Itong box na ito. So, my ingredient is simple lang. Onion and at saka chicken seasoning mix. Then lahat na ito, i-mix ko lahat to form patties. Okay? So, ito na ang aking mga ingredients at i-mix ko itong lahat para to form patties. So, I have here the tuna. I have 3 cans here. One. Two. And these guys, i-mix ko itong eggs and also the crackers and also this onion. So, tuna is inside the bowl already. And lalagyan ko ng crackers. Crackers. Those are the crackers. And i-mix. Crackers. Then, lalagyan ko siya ng 4 na itlog. 4 eggs. Lalagyan ko ng 4 na itlog. And ito na ang itsura ng aking minix ko ang tuna, eggs, and also the crackers. So, lalagyan ko ng spring onion. Spring onion. Hiwain ng, pinakamaliit na hiwa. Ang ko guys, ang kutsilyo, napaka-sharp. And nandito na lahat ang mga ingredients, spring onion, eggs, crackers, tuna, what's the other one? 4 lang ingredients dito, tuna, cracker, eggs, onion, and also the chicken seasoning mix. So guys, lulutuin ko na ito. And I'll be right back for the finished product. Lulutuin ko ito gamit ang extra virgin olive oil. So, ito na so far yung rellenong tuna. Ako na siyang balihon. Guys, napaig. Ganahan ko palang paig-paig kay crunchy. So, ako na siyang balihon. Mura siyang omelet. And ito na ang finished product ng aking Rellenong tuna. Tikman ko ito if masarap ba. I am pretty sure masarap ito. Mainit pa guys. So, tikman natin. Rellenong tuna, my own version. Init ah. Thumbs up for my Rellenong tuna. And guys, it is very, it is very simple, very affordable, at napakadaling gawin, and also very napakasarap. So, guys, try ninyong magluto ng Rellenong tuna. Okay? So, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna eat now because I am very hungry. Bye-bye! And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel sa mga interesado because maybe sometime magpa-trivia challenge ako. Bye-bye!